How can brain data misuse in research be prevented? Imagine your brain data being like a secret code that reveals your thoughts and feelings. Now, think about what could happen if that code falls into the wrong hands. That's why protecting brain data is so important. When researchers work with neural information, they need to be extra careful because this data can show sensitive mental states and personal details. One way to prevent misuse is by making sure participants know exactly how their brain data will be used. This means clear and honest explanations about data collection, sharing, and storage. People should have control over what they share and understand the risks involved. Transparency helps build trust and keeps everyone informed. Another key step is anonymizing brain data. This means removing any details that could identify a person. But since brain data can be very unique, anonymization techniques must be strong and regularly updated to prevent re-identification. This way, even if someone gets access to the data, they can't connect it back to an individual. Controlling who can access brain data is also vital. Researchers should use strict access controls, like role-based permissions and secure logins. Data use agreements should clearly state what is allowed and what is not, legally binding researchers to follow ethical rules. Technical safeguards like encryption are essential too. Encrypting data both when it is stored and when it is being transferred protects it from hackers. Secure storage environments and regular security checks help keep the data safe from unauthorized access. Laws and policies specifically designed for brain data are growing. These regulations can ban misuse such as manipulating data without permission or using it to discriminate. Concepts like neurorights are being discussed to protect mental privacy and prevent unwanted collection or use of neural information. Ethical oversight is another layer of protection. Institutional review boards and ethics committees review research plans to ensure they follow privacy and security standards. Continuous monitoring helps catch any misuse early. Balancing data sharing with privacy is important. Sharing brain data can accelerate research, but it must be done responsibly. Developing frameworks that allow data to be shared safely helps scientists learn more without risking individuals' privacy. Educating the public about the importance of brain data security also plays a role. When people understand the risks, they can make better decisions about sharing their information. Finally, industry standards and best practices should be adopted by companies and research groups. Following international privacy standards ensures consistent protection across the field. By combining these steps, the neurotechnology community can keep brain data safe from misuse while still advancing research. Protecting this sensitive information respects individual rights and supports responsible innovation in understanding the brain.